Alright, welcome back guys. This is your boy Bashad and welcome to my channel Bashad. In today's video we're going to do a rope custom tutorial. So what you would need is some rope. I got this off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below. This is 8 millimeters. You're going to need some tape, and you can use a X-Acto knife, but in this video I will be using a drill. Got this from Walmart. I will put the link in it, the description as well. This was like $20, and you're gonna need this drill bit or a drill bit. I'm using these have different markers. I will be using the going all the way up to 3/8. So look out for that if you get those drill bits off Amazon. Like I said, I'll put the description down below. I will put the links down below in the description box. Also make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get into this video. So I'm going to be using these old Air Force Ones. I'm actually going to do a custom on this, so I guess this will be a part 1 on this. I'm going to put rope laces in it. So I'm going to be getting to like these. So eventually those will turn out like this, that I have done. I will do a tutorial on this, like I said, coming up soon. So make sure y'all subscribe and turn the notification bell on for that, and be on the lookout for that. So first step is you want to tuck the tongue in the toe box. So you want to push the tongue all the way down so you don't mess the tongue up and it doesn't get in your way. Okay, and then you are ready to drill the holes. So I'm gonna get my drill. I have it sectioned off with the tape so I can see where I need to go and don't go too far out, and don't mess up. Don't worry if the holes are like real sloppy, because the rope will cover it up as long as you do it right. You can drill from inside out or outside in. I'm gonna do outside in. Like I said, you really can't see the holes after the rope laces are inserted into the for your laces. So let's get it started. Probably should position the camera better. Yeah, I'm going to position the camera, so give me a second. Alright, now that I have my setup, I am going to drill the hole. Make sure you apply pressure with your fingers, but also have your fingers out the way. You don't want to have it like completely where the hole is at, because you will rip through your hand and you don't want that. So I would say just like spread your hand out like that, and just keep your eye out to see where it's going. So I'm going to apply some pressure. And as you can see, the hole is getting bigger. As you can see, though, it's getting bigger. And then I will do the same in the inside. And after that, you will be good to go to insert the laces. So let's get this done. Alright, after you get your holes, as you see, they got bigger, and I did the inside just to make it easier for the ropes to come through. They're not perfect even with the tool. It's easier to do if you have a drill rather than trying to use it with a X-Acto knife or maybe a hole puncher. It's a lot quicker and easier. So now we're going to put the ropes through. So with the rope, you get your rope. Like I said, this is 8 millimeter. You want to tape the end so it doesn't come up, and then also so you can pull this rather than pulling the rope, because it will untwine if you don't tie it down or put any tape on the end. So I'm going to get the laces that came with the shoe. I'm going to measure it not measure it, but put it beside the, let me get my scissors. So I'm going to, just line them up so I can get the appropriate length that I want. So I would say you got that right there, and then I'm going to do like an extra, like a couple inches, just for error, or if I want to cut more. So I cut it, and then I'm going to put some cheap tape over it. I got this from Walmart as well. Any type of tape will work. Clear tape, it doesn't have to be blue. So you want to tape down, and then you kind of want to make a little, like a little tip for it. I have to do it for the other one so I can put it through the hole and it's easier to pull through. So I have a little tip on that end, and then I might have to put another piece on this one to make a little tip on this end. Okay, so there we go. Then I'm going to insert it. Might have to give it a little wiggle. Once you get it over the tape, it should be pretty easy, fairly easy to come through. I'm pretty sure you can make the holes a little bigger, but I like the holes, the laces holes, snug fit. It's just a little, since I didn't get to cut this part. Okay, drill the inside because it's too close to the tongue. Okay, so I got that side in. And just wiggle it through, wiggle. And the rest is a piece of cake. It's just like laces. You line them up and you pull through. It is getting tight, but you can adjust the tightness. So, like that, for example, and then I'm just going to pull it up. And then, as you can see, that looks about good. And then I'm going to lace it up how the shoe came. And here is full custom we will be getting to. This is the actual fabric, the laces. And then I'm going to remove the tape. And then I have these heat shrink tubings. I will put the link down below. I'm going to add those to the end like this and add heat to it, and it's going to shrink them so it won't come apart because the tape looks a little tacky. So let me get my heat gun. Okay, and then I'm going to pick a size. I already have some cut out. I guess I lost my other one. And then you're going to just take the tape out off. Okay, see what I said? Like, it's already coming apart. You're just going to twist it back, put the tube, put the tubing over it. Might have to tighten it. I would say like about right there. So let me get my scissors. Just cut a little. Then add some heat and it will shrink. And there you go. So yeah, here you go. We are finally done. You can either tie these shoes up. It's like regular laces. And here you go with this custom chunky rope laces tutorial video. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below. Make sure y'all look at the description as well to see where you get the tools from. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm out.